Dumelang Ndlovu, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. My landlords, please do like, share and subscribe, but most of all subscribe. We need 6 more people to get to 1,000. Umkhokha The Curse, short and sweet. Today was all about Nobuntu, right? Uzamxolo nomuntu wakhe, they just reminisced on their day and they thought ukuthi hey ngenkathi zethu, and then umabusi was like, we didn't have this moment. I was like, girl, you wouldn't have this moment because when you didn't want to get married. So this moment was going to be very miserable for uzamxolo. So nje wena nje phuma kulezinto, but they were thinking back on their big day, right? To an extent, they danced together in the house. We know they are our favorite couple, Umkhokha The Curse. With that said, umalume was like telling abashana ukuthi yazini asambeni laphayana siyogeza amehlo, but ayishatile athi yes nishatile, okay, but amehlo wona sasekhona sabona ngisho asambeni siyogezana amehlo siboneni ukuthi sitholani. And mina futhi ngumalume angeke ngidlule uNdlovu lokho ashada mina ngihluleka hayi ngaphela. Trust him to make it about himself, but obviously he didn't go because amajudiya akunatshwala phakathi. With that said, nokubonga naye, she thought of umshado wakhe nomuntu wakhe, and it didn't, no guys, it was so touching because she thought of all the things that she had lost in a short space of time. And unfortunately for her, umuntu wakhe is not coming back. This is the time for her to look for new love. Nayasithole lisithembunyana sakhe, impilo iqhubekele phambili. But her wedding as well was so beautiful. And in her memories, pictures of umshado kancane kancane zathi vata, right? But she was not the what of the show. Unobuntu ke, I appreciate uzodwa ukuthi zodwa yazini, I appreciate you for being happy for me, even though you know ukuthi owakho amalobolo amiswe because of kumele prioritizwe mina. I was like, oh wow, this is so beautiful. But now the other thing is that this is an arranged marriage, right? But still, in an arranged marriage, lobola is paid and stuff, and they're acting as if vele batholene. Like, because there was a song that they were singing ukuthi momshata ngemali angeke relationship ilaste ngoba imali mayephela relationship yaphela. Nangu unobuntu lithi ngoba ngithi yo imali babapheyona guys laphayana ne bese ngiqalile ukubala ikweleti zami ngithi yo kabhadala school fees, kabhadala kabhadala mashonisa, hey katsana katswa kamo. But nonetheless, it was not my money. It was Nobuntu's money. I don't know who was streaming the wedding and who was going live during that celebration, because to me this is a wedding. The reason why I'm saying it's a wedding is because uphakathwayo uye esibayeni noNobuntu wayobika edlozini ukuthi or emadlozini ukuthi uNobuntu uyahamba uya kuphi uyale uyoba wakaNdlovu. All right, no problem, hayi kube mnandi. But what scares me is that throughout this process, uNobuntu, the only person she's thinking about, umenga, not even uNdlovu, not guy one, umenga is the only person in her mind. And I'm sorry, I'm only going to post pictures of uNobuntu because this video is all about her. But now in the strange, guys, I don't know if kanjani, or maybe because in the experience ngothando nesithembu. Hi, the 3 wives kaNdlovu banothando, guys, in the acceptance, the love. I think it's overly exaggerated. Is polygamy like that vele in other families? But girl was happy. Girl looked beautiful. Girl was like, yeah, I was like properly impressed with how they represented the Zulu culture. But Monday mina nawe mele sihlangane la so that sikwazi ukubona ukuthi vatagwan. Like, guys, share, but most importantly, subscribe. 6 people, sifika ku-1,000. Siya celebrate us, pop my champagne. This is your girl, Disable D. I love you. Peace. Bye.